Myles Lewis-Skelly is an English professional footballer who plays as a midfielder or left back for Premier League club Arsenal. Myles Anthony Lewis-Skelly was born on 26 September 2006 in the London Borough of Islington. His parents are both British-born of mixed Caribbean descent. During his time at Arsenal's academy Hale End, Lewis-Skelly attended the Aldenham School in Hertfordshire, playing simultaneously for his school and academy team. On 7 September 2024, Lewis-Skelly made his England under-19 debut during a 1-1 draw away to Croatia. On 6 September 2023, Lewis-Skelly made his England under-18 debut during a 2-0 defeat to France in Limoges. A month later, on 2 November, he was included in the England squad for the 2023 FIFA Under-17 World Cup. Lewis-Skelly's parents are both British and his grandparents are of mixed Caribbean heritage, Barbados, Guyana, Jamaica and St. Lucia. Lewis-Skelly is eligible to represent both England and Barbados at international level. During his youth career with Arsenal, he trained with the Barbados national football team. Having represented England at under-16 level, Lewis-Skelly was called up to the under-17 squad for the 2023 UEFA European Under-17 Championship. In England's second game of the tournament, Lewis-Skelly scored after 7 minutes in an eventual 4-1 win over the Netherlands. Having received the ball on the halfway line, he dribbled past 3 Dutch players before entering the penalty area and being tackled by D.S. Jones. On 5 October 2023, Arsenal announced that Myles Lewis-Skelly had signed his first professional contract with the club. He made his senior debut for the club on 22 September 2024 in a 2-2 draw away at Manchester City, coming on for Geraint Timber in second half injury time. In the same match, Lewis-Skelly received a yellow card before his debut. On 25 January 2025, Lewis-Skelly was controversially shown a straight red card against Wolverhampton Wanderers after a foul on Matt Doherty was deemed a serious foul play. Arsenal went on to win the match 1-0 and his suspension was rescinded 3 days later. On 2 February 2025, Lewis-Skelly scored his first goal for Arsenal in a 5-1 victory against Manchester City in the Premier League. Arsenal have a reputation for producing world-class talent from their academy. Ashley Cole, Ray Parlour and Cesc Fabregas all graduated from the academy. All three went on to be crucial players for the North London side over the years.